unboxing sensation. We're gonna unbox this wagon.
Buy this at Walmart for $41.24.
The inside. And this is the wagon. So you have to remove this one to able to stretch it. So you push it like that, and you put this one. There you go. And this is the part. And this is the wagon. It's around
The new version, the 2025 version of Ozark Trail is more deeper than the old one and it's more longer.
And so this is it. And this is the wagon.
You can extend from 22 to 36 inches the handle of this wagon.
This is life, guys. I'm going home. Please like and subscribe for more unboxing.
The wheels is heavy duty. Going home. Difference is it's much bigger than my old Ozark wagon. And there's a lock on the middle. The weight capacity is 260 libs. Deeper bucket provides more storage space, and the wheels is 7 inches heavier duty PVC wheels.
Close up look of the wagon. The Ozark Trail.
This is useful for going to the grocery.
So guys, we're gonna fold it. And there you go, it's already folded. And then you press this to go down.
And this is the foldable wagon. Video, please give me a thumbs up and please like and share and subscribe.